If you bought one of my printable notepads, let me show you a trick you probably didn't know. You can actually customize them in Canva and it's super easy. First, hit the plus sign and go to the custom size. Set it to 11 by 8.5, then create your design. Next, go over to the Uploads, click Upload File, and choose the PDF you just purchased. Once you have uploaded it and it loads, there it is. This is one of my designs from my shop. Now here is the fun part. You can start customizing it. Click Add Text, type your name, you can change the font, you can change the colors, you can make it yours. You can even go into Elements, search anything you want like cute bee, and add your own graphics. The only thing you can't change is the original design itself. You can't edit or recolor those parts, but you can layer on top and personalize it however you want. Once you are done personalizing it, you will hit share, you will download it, and then you will be ready to print your personalized notepads. If you haven't grabbed one yet, I've got a bunch in my shop. And if you have any questions about customizing it, don't hesitate to ask. I'm happy to help.